What's up, everyone? This is Henry here, and thank you for tuning in. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys smack that like button, subscribe if you're new, click that notification bell. Make sure you guys check out my description below where you will find my social medias and my merch store. So here we go. Alright, so I do this every Wednesday, well, give or take a week. I go on different online boying websites, as you see here, and see what's for sale, basically. As you guys see here, the spot price for gold is $1,772.80. Silver is $20 and 26 cents, and then platinum 915. Palladium, it's probably gonna drop down to under 2,000 soon if it keeps going down like that. Wow. All right, but my main focus is gold and silver. That's it. All right, so as you see here, I'm on money metals, low prices. Let's see about that. I'm playing. We're gonna check out some rounds. I meant to check out the specials first, but we're just gonna check out the rounds. Let's see here. Got 1 ounce buffalo, $24.50. Let me see how much it is with a credit card. Let me click on it. Okay. Oh, wait, what? Premium. I'm confused about this one. Okay, well, I'll explain that on another site where it does have that. It's 20. Okay, so I guess it's 25.30 with the credit card. That's what I'm guessing, and it's pretty high premium, guys, on buffaloes. Pretty high. And then here we go. I thought silver rounds, the premiums was supposed to be going down. I guess it looked like the premiums are coming back up. So we're gonna go check out the coins. I'm not gonna check out no American Silver Eagles because they're way too high, guys. I would stay away from them. Stuff like this, this is fine. You may get one of these 6 options here. And then the Canadian Maple Leaf, I would stay away from that too because the premiums are going up on those. The Britannias, that's pretty good. They're gorgeous looking coins. They're one of my favorite ones because just the design of them. Australian Kangaroos, good pickup right here. And then they got some 90% right here. Wow, maybe I should start adding in that. Stay away from these cuckoo bears as well. Alright, so we're gonna go to, we might as well check out some gold. Why not, guys? We'll check out some should we do fractional gold? Yes, let's do fractional gold because I know most of us are on a budget. 1/10 troy ounce, 999. Well, 49's fine. Gold. This looks cool. And then you got 1 bar, 1 gram. Right here, $75. Not too shabby. And it's a ½ gram right here. With fractional gold, you do pay a premium on them because of the size, but I honestly I think it's still worth it because not all of us got the money to pay something like this. Like, come on. So that's why I'm here. 1/10 ounce. I can find these for way cheaper than this. Like at least 220, at least not 252. This is high. Alright, so we're gonna go into the next one, guys. Spending all day on that one site. Alright, we on SD Bullion. Personally, I think SD Bullion is the best one out of the bunch besides Hero Bullion. Hero Bullion is a newer online bullion, but they have great prices and great deals. Alright, so you got the 1 kilo Valcambi right here. Just $2.69 over spot. That's not bad at all. That's a real good deal. These are the deals, guys. And if you want some copper, here we go. I would stay away from fractional silver for now because of the premiums are very high. If you want fractional silver, get junk silver. Let's go to the rounds, see what they got. And yes, as I expected. They are less than the other site. Not too shabby at all. I want to Aztec calendar round. I might pick one up one of these days. And that's all the rounds because everyone loves this website. That's it. All right, let's check out some coins real quick, and then we'll check out some gold. See what they let's look at the Britannias. Let's see how much they cost. And we're gonna check out some gold. Not bad, a little bit more higher, but it's not too bad. I still pick up a few. We're gonna check out some gold now. What's the fractional gold? Let's just click on it and see if it pops up. It's not popping up. They don't have no fractional gold on here. Well, if not, I'm gonna click on something for you guys can just see how much gold costs in like whole ounce. Let's do a buffalo. See this? You see spot, right? You see how much this costs? That's a massively high premium. Stay away from these. Stay away from slabs unless you want to have a few in your stack. Me, I got a few slabs from an online auction for a great deal. Well, basically, it's still. And I think that's it. Alright, we're going to go to the next one. Provident Metals. I used to shop here all the time until I found out about SD Boyan. They're pretty good as well. Let's go to deals down here. We're going to check out. Oh, it's not bad right here. Alright, we're going to check out the rounds. See what they got going. Okay. Wow. Oh, well, they have a sale going on. Okay. It's not bad. A little high, the premiums, but it's silver, guys. You definitely gonna be paying some type of premium. Does not matter what it is. As long as you have it in your stack, that's all that matters. It all adds up. Alright, let's check out some coins. See what they got going. Where are the coins at? Where are the coins? Oh, damn it. Okay, here we go. See what they have. Britannia's, they're a bit higher on here, 26, 21. Oh, yeah, speaking of that, let me show you guys something if you're new to this. See this? This website, you can pay e-check or a check, take a picture, send it to them. You get the best deal here, as you see here. Even though, wow, the prices went up another buck. Okay. Then you got crypto right here. You can pay in crypto, and then you got the card. I'm pretty sure most of you guys pay with a credit card or PayPal account. All right, so we're gonna look at some gold. Any fractional. Let me see. I don't see no fractional gold. I'm blind or something. I don't see none. Okay, I guess we're gonna skip the gold on this site because this video is getting a little long. Alright, we're gonna go to Hero Boyan. Great website. Like I said, they're the newest Boyan company out of all these guys by far. And look at the deals that they got on Maple Leaf. Look at that. Look, oh wow. Look at that. Let me click on this. See how much it costs with like a card. Wow, I may have to go cop that. I may have to pick that up. Look how pretty these rounds are. And then they got copper as well. I still need to fill up my tube. I think copper, I mean, if you want to stack it, you can, but it's not worth a lot for now. I'm going to stack a little bit of it. Like I said, I'm going to finish this tube and probably stop for a while and get more later. I do have a jar of copper pennies, pre-1981 and older. And see what else they got here. We're going to check out the silver. The rounds. 1 ounce. Like I said, stay away from the fractional. Best deal right here. May have to pick this up, guys. Don't tread on me around. Wow, great pricing. Wow, guys. These folks are not greedy at all. These folks are very fair. That's why everything else is out of stock, as you see. Alright, let's go to the coins. Let's see what they got going. Oh, okay, the coins. guess we'll stick with the Britannias. Okay, this is the cheapest I've seen on all these other websites. Right here. Hero Borean. Shout out to them. Shout out to you guys. You guys are very fair. Unlike the last one I'm going to show you guys. I'll call them the greedy mofos because they're greedy. See. Remember this price. Okay? And also the round, the Aztec calendar. 23 something. This is 25. Wait till I get to the last one. Alright. Should we check out some gold? If you guys are interested in copper, I guess we can check this out real quick. Why not? Okay, that's all. That's it. Okay, gold. Do they got any fractional on this website? This is a 1/10 ounce. Here we go. 206. That's a great deal. That's a steal, guys, to be honest. And that's all. But again, shout out to Hero Borean. Alright, we're gonna check out JM Borean. This is what they got here. They got copper as well. They got Australian silver Philharmonic coins. A little high. Cuckoo bears. Whoa, shit. Yeah, stay away from those. In those. What's this one? Stay away from this too, because you can find this cheaper. Alright, we're gonna go to their silver rounds. See what they got. Alright. Let's go to the all. Oh shit, oh no shit. Hold up. I'm sorry. Here we go, 1 ounce. Alright. 25. See, Hero Borean be hooking people up with 23. These other Boreans need to be like Hero Borean. And this is all. If you see this, it's $3 cheaper on Hero Borean. You see this crap? This is not cool. This is not cool at all. But JM Borean is not the worst. I'd be shocked of what if Apmex have actual fair deals. I'd be shocked, but I doubt it. All right. Let's go check out some gold real quick. See what they have. Oh wait, I meant to do the coins. Pretty sure the coins are going to be high. Yeah, fuck it. Let's just check out some gold. Any fractional? They got gold backs too. Let's see. I don't see no fractional gold. Yeah, you know what? Let's just click this, see what pops up. Yeah, I mean you're gonna pay a premium for all gold, period. But I'll stay away from these because it's just too high. You can go to a coin shop, your local coin shop, and probably get one that's at least closer to spot, at least $150 cheaper. I don't know. Just hit up your local coin shops. All right, now we're gonna go to the most expensive Borean, the greedy people. That's Apmex. Okay. All right. Well, they got deals, so that's not bad. Okay. All right. That's not bad either. It's still high, but it's not. It's the best I've seen for 1 ounce gold. What is this? Yeah, they can keep those. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, this isn't too shabby here. Platinum. What's the spot price of platinum right now? It's $9.19. No, hell no. You want over $100 premium for that. You can keep that. This, you can keep that too. Alright. We're gonna go to the coins. Oh lord, here we go, guys. Here we go. Watch everything be like $10 over spot. I mean, Hero Borean definitely won this though by far when it comes to the online Boreans. But wow, I'm shocked to see that. I thought it would be like $27. Okay. All right. That shut me up a little bit. Oh, okay. That shut me up. Okay. It's all good. This all 1 ounce. Let's go to the coins. Okay, that's not bad at all. I guess they got a lot of backlash of them being greedy, and they changed up their prices. All right, let's see. They did the same for the coins. I doubt it. I put money down on it. Watch this American Silver Eagle be like 40 bucks or close to it. Watch, watch. Oh, okay. Well, it's still high. It's still too high, guys. Still stay away from these, but let's click on it, see how much it costs with a credit card. You see, yep, you see what I'm talking about? Boom. Okay. Stay away from that. Let's check out the Britannias, if they have any. This is all they got. This is Eagles, Morgans, no Britannias. Let me go up. Oh gosh, why they got it like this? And it's so small. Like people with bad eyes won't be able to see all this. Where's the Britannias at? Oh, found them. Watch them be like 26, 27 bucks. Hey, they're 26. Still the highest out of all of the online buoyants. Yep. Well, I mean, they had good deals, to be honest. I'm gonna shut up a little bit, but I guess they got a lot of flack about them being greedy. Because trust me, this company is still the most greediest company out of all of them, to be honest. But I guess they changed that up a little bit. So shout out to them, But overall, Hero Borean is the youngest ones out of everyone, and they had the best deals by far. So guys, if y'all want to check out online buoyants, check Hero Borean out, and also SD Borean out as well. But other than that, yeah guys, I'm sorry about the length of this video. I had to go through everything here with some gold. I had to include gold if you guys wanted to see that. But other than that, if you guys enjoyed the video, please smack that like button. Again, subscribe if you're new on your way out. I'm gonna try my best to do this every Wednesday. I am still recovering from a surgery. I'm almost healed. About in another month, no, actually 2 weeks to a month, I should be good to go. 100%, probably a month to be honest. Then I should be 100%. But other than that, hope you guys stay safe. Be aware of your surroundings. Carry a gun. Get prepared and start stacking. And as always, have a nice day. Take it easy.